Welcome to Linda's Creative Coiling. Today I'm working on a basket that has a meandering coil. It goes down and up through a window, and it's going to go wind around and through these windows. So the first thing I did on this basket was make 3 windows, and over here at the end of my row, I started wrapping. This technique does take a lot of thread, so be prepared. I'm using a little plastic bobbin. I wrapped my thread on there and it just pulls off. As you're wrapping, it just pulls off. I'm also using 18 gauge wire, and I buy this on a spool in the jewelry department. And I've fed it into my coil. It makes my coil stiffer. So I'm using 18 gauge wire and I'm wrapping. I have my copper gauge on to help tighten my wrap as I go. So I just wrap a few times. I'll wrap a few times and stack those threads right in next to each other. This is a metallic thread from Lynn Hasita. Squeeze that together real hard. Okay, now I think I have enough that I can come up through my window. I came up through this one, I'm going around, I'm gonna come up through this window. The way to do this, I'm gonna feed my bobbin through there. Feed my bobbin through there. Then I kind of bend this coil and feed it up through there. Feed it up through there. And pull it up. Pull it up. Pull my needles through. I'm going to pull my needles through. Then I'm going to pull my wire through. And there's that. Then I can just continue wrapping. Then I can just continue wrapping around. You can see how that just pulls right off of there. Pulls right off of there. Squish it real tight. To load thread on this bobbin, to load thread on this, you just pop it open, hold on to the stiffer part, and wrap your thread around. Wrap your thread around to load it onto this bobbin. It really helps when you're doing a long, continuous wrap. And I just pop it closed, and I've got it. So there you go, how to do a long, continuous coil going up through windows. Hope you enjoy this, and we'll try using this technique. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Linda. Thanks for watching my video. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, Linda's Creative Coiling, you can click the subscribe button below and ring the bell. Then you'll be notified next time I post something new. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks.